One thing that's really important to a lot of men is what type of reactions women have to our fragrances. We're gonna switch things up today. We're gonna give my perspective as a man of what I think about a new release of a women's fragrance.
I finally found what I'm missing, and now you got all my attention. Driving me wild, got me wishing that you were all mine. You're irresistible, so refreshing. You're irresistible, tell the essence. I can feel your energy all over me. Close my eyes and I breathe in. You're irresistible.
Welcome back to Carolina Fragrance Reviews. I'm your host Cam, and today I'm going over the re-release from THIERRY Mugler, Angel EDT. There has been a little bit of hype about this fragrance, and let me tell you, for what I personally like to smell on a woman, yeah, this one is hitting on all 8 cylinders. Whew, this is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I was a huge fan of the Alien Eau de Parfum, and I know they had like a lot of different variations with Alien and Angel, but this one to me, in my personal opinion, is the absolute best one that I have ever smelled, and I have smelled a lot of them. This one is amazing. I don't know if women are like wanting beast mode. Most of the women I know like a fragrance that is gonna last. I don't think that this is just gonna be over the moon with performance or whatever, but hey, all the more reason to snuggle up and cuddle, right? Wow, amazing, amazing fragrance. Let me tell you the notes of this beautiful little decant. The notes for Angel are mandarin, peony, apple, praline, patchouli, and blonde woods. I've been seeing praline put in a few fragrances that I have been smelling as of lately, and there's been a few new releases that have been slipping that in, and I have found that I find that a very attractive note. And of course, when you're mixing the proper florals, the proper fruits, and gourmand, I'm a gourmand lover, but I really like fruity stuff on women, and florals are great if they're done the right way. As long as you're not smelling like Granny's closet, yes, absolutely. But they did an excellent job of blending these. The new bottle actually stands like this, as opposed to actually having to get like a stand, kind of like with the Bulgari Aqua Amara, how it has the round bottle and you basically have to figure a way to set it up. The Angels were that way, but they have actually got it where this actually stands, which I think is cool. But guys, do yourself a favor. If your girl don't have this, definitely get it for your wifey. Got an anniversary coming up, a birthday, or just want to surprise the wifey, bring that home. You'll enjoy it as much as she does, I promise. That's gonna wrap it up for the 2019 release of Angel. And boy, let me tell you, woo, fire, I like this. Anyway, if you're not subscribed to Carolina Fragrance Reviews, I would love to have you on board. Hit that subscribe, notifications bell, and smash that like button if you enjoyed this episode today. We'll see you next time on Carolina Fragrance Reviews.